Good morning students. Welcome to physics lab. Now let me start the experiment. First our aim is to measure the diameter of given small object. Here it is a sphere using vernier calipers. Here we have sphere and we have a vernier calipers. Vernier calipers has main two parts. First, the part which is not moving, it is a main scale. The part which is moving is a vernier calipers. Okay, here the scale which is marked on here, it is a main scale, it is in centimeter, and here some divisions on it, it is a vernier scale. So let me measure first the least count, error and correction of the vernier calipers. So for that, here let you observe. See, on centimeter scale, 1 centimeter is dividing by 10 divisions. So distance between two divisions on vernier scale, it is a 0.1 centimeter. Here it is a 0 to 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter is dividing by 10 divisions. So distance between these two divisions is equal to 0.1. And these divisions are known as a vernier scale and there are 10 divisions on it. So first let me note down the least count of the instrument. So for that, the distance between two divisions of the main scale is equal to 0.1 centimeter and the total number of divisions on vernier scale, there are 10 divisions, and least count is equal to LC is equal to x by n. X is equal to 0.1 dividing by n is equal to 10, so it is equal to 0.01 centimeter is the least count of the instrument. Let me measure the error of the instrument. For that, you will close the instrument by the last part. What will happen? First division of the main scale, that is 0th division of the centimeter scale and 0th division of the vernier scale. If they are exactly matching, that means there is no error in our instrument. Okay, so let me note down the error and correction. If error is equal to 0, means correction करने की जरूरत नहीं, need not to correct the correction. So correction C will be also equal to 0. Okay. Error E is equal to 0.01 centimeter. So correction will be also 0.0 centimeter. Now let me start the observation table. So first, object and its dimension. So here we have a sphere and its dimension is a diameter. So let me measure the main scale reading. Main scale reading means location of the vernier scale 0. वर्नियर का 0 जहां पर लोकेट होता है उसका लेफ्ट डिवीजन, द लेफ्ट डिवीजन ऑफ द वर्नियर स्केल 0 इज कॉल्ड अ मेन स्केल रीडिंग एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड द मैचिंग डिवीजन ऑफ द फ्रॉम द वर्नियर स्केल. ओके, so let me first find the main scale reading. So first place the object here between two jaws of the vernier calipers. Fix it. Okay, now observe the reading. You can observe that the vernier scale 0 is lying between 1.9 and 2.0. So main scale is equal to 1.9. Then you have to find the which division of the vernier scale is exactly matching. So you will observe one by one division of the vernier scale. From the 0th it is not matching, first is not matching, 2 is slightly matching, 3 is I think matching, 4th, 5th and 6th they are not matching. So here the first is main scale is 1.9 and matching division is equal to third division. So let me note down in an observation table. So first here we will note down the main scale reading. The vernier 0 was lying between 1.9 and 2.0. So I will write here 1.9 and matching division was 3. So I write here 3. What is its value? Its value is equal to 0.03 centimeter. Now so B is equal to n into LC, where n is equal to third division, LC is equal to 0.01 centimeter, should be 0.03. Now sum of this A and B, that is 1.93, is the diameter of the sphere. Now let me repeat this experiment for the second trial and third trial. Again observe it. So when you observe it, again the main scale is 1.9 and matching division here 1.9 and second time here matching division is equal to 2. Repeat it third time. Slightly change the position of the sphere. Again fix the sphere between two jaws of the vernier calipers and observe the main scale reading and matching division. The main scale is again 1.9 and matching division is 2. So I will note down this reading in observation table. Second time the main scale was 1.9 and matching division was 2, and again 1.9 and matching division was 2. Now what is the value of the second division? It is equal to 0.02 centimeter, and again here 0.02 centimeter. Now sum of this 1.9 and 0.02, it is 1.92 is the diameter, and third time is again 1.92. Now average of these three readings, that is 1.93, 1.92 and 1.92. Let me write the average is 1.92. But this is the observed diameter of the sphere. But our aim is to find the correct. So let here measure the error. Here error is 0, so need not to correction. So observed value will be equal to the corrected diameter. So it is 1.92 is the diameter of the sphere. In this way we can measure the diameter of the sphere using these vernier calipers. Now after this you can calculate or you can find the volume of the sphere too. So what is the formula for the volume of the sphere? It is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So first you will calculate the radius from the diameter. This is the corrected diameter 1.92. Dividing by 2 you will get the radius. After finding the radius, the formula V, volume of the sphere, V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So substitute value of the radius, and in this way you can find the volume of the sphere, and the unit of the volume is cm cube. So in this way we can find the volume and dimension of the object. Okay. Now here तो फर्स्ट आप क्या करोगे, ये रीडिंग्स जो है आप अपनी रफ नोटबुक में लिख के रखोगे बेटा. फिलहाल अभी जर्नल वी हैव नॉट डिसाइडेड जर्नल. आफ्टर डिसाइडिंग द जर्नल देन यू राइट इन योर जर्नल, बट फर्स्ट यू राइट दिस रीडिंग्स एंड कैलकुलेशन इन योर नोटबुक, दैट इज अ रिकॉर्ड बुक. ओके. तो यहाँ पर हम एक्सपेरिमेंट खत्म करते बेटा कंप्लीट, एंड रिकॉर्ड अपने रिकॉर्ड बुक में नोट डाउन कर लेना. ठीक है बेटा, चलो बाय.